Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn how to change this black color in AutoCAD. For changing the background color, we have to type here option OP, then enter. You can see this window will come. Here we have to go to display, and from display we have to go here colors, and here we can change the color as per our own requirement. So let's say I check color blue, apply and close. The background color is changed to blue. This color is not good. So again, we go to display, change color. Okay, we here select colors, and here colors are already given here. Color books. You can change here as per your requirement. Okay, apply and close. The background color change. So in this way we can change any color as per our own requirement. So here lots of options are given here to change the color. Which one you like, you just change. So let's say I click this one. This is looking good. So it's looking good now, this color. In this way we can change the color in AutoCAD. If you have any queries related to this video, please do comment below. I will try to answer. Thanks.